Welcome back to another video. Today I have bought a child case for my Huawei T3 and I've seen this case on AliExpress, eBay, Amazon, Wish, yeah, literally everywhere. So I couldn't resist, so I bought one on eBay. So now we're gonna test it out. The case is made of a foam that's called EVA and is extremely flexible. The handles feels like it's going to come off at any time. The only thing is holding the handle is two plastic pins on both sides. I have used the tablet a couple of weeks now and the handle has come off. The case don't block any sound is coming from the tablet. My child have dropped the tablet a couple of times now, and the tablet is still intact. It's really tricky to get the tablet in the case, but eventually I succeeded. You cannot put the handle in front of the tablet, it is very unstable. So if you're gonna have it on the table, you have to change the handle to the back. I paid $20 for this case and it's very good. There are lots of them in different brands, so if you have a Samsung you can give exactly the same case. I hope you liked the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give a thumbs down and tell me why. See you all. Bye.